Hello everyone, today I have tutorial again to how to get unbanned in Hive server. So first things first is go to Chrome, then search Hive Apple. Then wait, my net is so slow. Then type Hive Apple because Hive Apple was updated now. And click banned and muted. You can see no chat now and it's update now. So first things first is you need to find clicking here. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Then clicking here now. Find clicking here. Then click Apple in-game punishment. Then in-game Apple. Then click punishment type and click game banned. Then enter your explanation. I'm gonna copy paste my text. Then your gamer tag is changed first. Wait, I'm gonna back. Then remove your gamer tag. Then type your gamer tag or username in Minecraft. Then click contact info. Wait, I'm gonna check. Okay, it's done now. Click contact info. Then type your Minecraft username or your gamer tag in Minecraft. Zenplays 50. Then type your Gmail or email account. I'm gonna Gmail account. I'm gonna use it. Then check the I have read and agree the term of service. Then wait. Then now you can unban now in Hive. So before you get unbanned is go to your Minecraft. Then join the Hive server, and if you get unbanned now, you can play Hive. I have texture pack, so it's downloading packs. If you're not getting unbanned, you're gonna wait 24 hours or 10 hours. I mean, because I get banned in Hive server and I wait 24 hours before I unbanned. So if this video helpful, then like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.